Hello, my lovely Aquarius. How are you all? And I hope you are doing great, wonderful, amazing, safe wherever you are in the world. I welcome you all in my channel. Thank you so much for liking, sharing, and subscribing to my channel, for giving me lots of love. This is your bonus love reading for the month of June 2021. I hope it resonates with you, but please check your sunshine, moonshine, and Venus sign and take whatever is resonating according to your situation and leave the rest. Okay, I have already uploaded your main reading, your general reading, and your extended reading, so you can have a look on that too. So let's start your reading and let's see what are the messages. Wow, bottom of the deck, I'm having new beginnings. There is a new beginning here, Aquarius, definitely, which is going to happen for you in the month of June here. So let's start your reading and let's see why and what are the messages for you for the month of June here. Okay. Please help me out, guides, God, spirits, angels, fairy, every single positive energy around me. Help me out to deliver the messages which I need to deliver to my Aquarius all over the world. What are the messages which I need to deliver? Please give me the messages which I need to deliver. What are the messages here? Wow, I told you new beginnings here, Aquarius. Okay, see, new beginnings. Okay, new beginnings here. Definitely there are new beginnings. Okay, begin your new life. Okay, and there is creative wonderment. Follow your passion. You need to follow your passion, Aquarius, and work on your soul purpose. Okay, if you love to cook, if you love to play, if you love to sing, if you love to dance, if you love to dress, if you love to play sports, if you love to paint, anything which feeds your soul, okay, you need to follow your passion. Follow your passion here, and there is new beginnings which are coming for you. This is beautiful. Okay, thank you for giving the messages. Let me see what is the messages from the fairies. Please, fairies, give me the messages. What are the messages? Wow, magical blessings and look in the book. Solitude come together and there is celebration. This is beautiful. So first message for you is magical blessings. Whatever you are going through, you are being assisted by the magical fairy blessings. The fairy says you can bless others too. Okay, so there are magical blessings which you are receiving from the fairies here. Then there is solitude. Think of being alone as meaning you are all one and in total harmony with everything. The greatest treasures are those that wait silently during your quiet time. So that's beautiful message here. Then there is look in a book. Whatever your question right now, you will find the answer in a book. The words you find will bring the insight you seek. Okay, so whatever answers you are looking, you will find the answers in a book here. So look in a book. Then there is come together. Fairies like to be busy, and a group of them is showing you that many hands make light work. Working as a team helps the job done. So can it's beautiful message here. You all are working as a team and it's beautiful. All fairies are working as a group. Beautiful. They're coming together and working as a team. Okay, then there is celebration. Get ready to let your hair down and celebrate. It's time to go out to dance and play. An invitation could be on your way. Okay, so maybe you're going to get an invitation to the party, or invitation to the event, or invitation to the outing, dating, anything. Okay, but there is an invitation which is going to come for you here, so let go out and enjoy here. Okay, let your hair down and celebrate that here. Can you see there is a couple here in this picture? So this invitation uh, can be come from your partner here. Okay, that can be a possibility. So it's time to go out and play here, Aquarius. Okay, let me see what is the message from the Osho Zen Tarot deck. Thank you for giving the messages. Beautiful, beautiful messages. Okay, what is the message for Aquarius for this reading? Please give me the messages which I need to deliver. Change is definitely coming for you, Aquarius. Okay, there is an intensity here. So lot of intensity is here, which is coming towards you. Maybe someone is feeling lot of intensity, or you are feeling lot of intensity or passion here towards something. There is a new vision, new beginning. So new vision means that now you're going to see the picture from a different perspective, from a new vision, from a higher perspective. So new vision is coming for you, and you becoming more mature than before. So maturity is coming for you, Aquarius, and that's beautiful. You're becoming more mature than before. There is slowing down. So slow and steady wins the race. That there is a turtle here, so you are going to win here, Aquarius. Just slow down, because slow and steady wins the race. And there is a change, there is a definite change which is coming for you here, Aquarius. Just have faith in the divine plan, because everything is happening according to the divine. But beautiful changes are coming for you in the month of June. And there is a traveling card. So maybe you are traveling somewhere, or you're going to start a new journey in your life, but traveling is being indicated here, Aquarius. Okay, so that's what I'm having here from the Osho 010. Thank you for giving the messages. Now let's add message from the fortune. Wow, the sun wants to come out. Can you see how the card just flip out? This is the happiest card in the tarot deck. In your main reading too, the sun was there. Okay, so open your heart to enormous growth ahead. What are the messages for Aquarius? Okay, again the plane is indicated. So our journey is indicated either physically or metaphorically. Your life will become more full. So some of you are going to do a traveling or visit some place, or you're going to travel here. If you're traveling, then take care of yourself. Okay, have a safe journey. But there is a journey which is indicated. Either you are traveling somewhere, and if you are not traveling anywhere, then a new chapter of your life is going to start here, Aquarius. Okay, then there is beware, be careful who you trust at this time. Okay, so that's the message I'm having here. Then there is fire, let go of emotional upheaval and embrace the renewal of the present. Okay, then there is death card here, a time of natural transition and transformation. So the death card energy was there in your main reading too. Okay, you're going through a transformation. All things are going to end, and you're going to become, you are getting transformed here. Then there is celebration. See, again the celebration, and the celebration is coming for you. How beautiful this card is. Lot of pink, green, purple energy is here. You are ready to bring new and exciting things into your life here. So that's beautiful. And there is sun energy here. Okay, open your heart to enormous growth ahead. There is beautiful new happy beginnings which are coming for you. So thank you for giving the messages. Now let's add one message from the Soul's Grace cards. Okay. What is the message for Aquarius? Please give me one message. Wow. Mindfulness. Manage your mind. When we direct our thoughts and words towards the outcome we most desire, we ignite grace. Okay, then there is strength. Face your fears. Every challenge is a blessing in disguise, a gift that makes us stronger and more conscious and ultimately more alive. Okay, so face your fears. 1010 is a karmic cycle completion. That's the recording reading time. Okay, so there is a definitely karmic cycle which you are closing out. 1010 can be an important sign. See, karma, you're going to get your good karma. This is the time to get your payback. Okay, the good karma payback. Let me see one message from the divine abundance. What is the message for Aquarius? Please give me one message. What is the message for Aquarius? Bottom of the deck, I'm having energetic cleaning. You have to do your cleaning here, Aquarius. Okay, do your energy cleaning. There is self-love and divine flow. Let the wall fall that separates me from my own vulnerable inner child. I long to be take care of myself like never before. 1111 was the recording reading time. So you have to do your self-love. Self-love is indicated. Self-love message is here. Okay. Ask your inner child. 1122 was the recording reading time. What your uh, inner child wants to do. Okay, and do that. There is divine flow. Eventually, one sublime desire takes precedence over all others to follow the Tao, the divine flow at all cost. Okay, that's the message I'm getting here. Thank you for giving the message. Now let's add one message from Life Loves You. Okay, what is the message for Aquarius? What is the message? I live in a friendly universe. Let life befriend you today, every hour on the hour throughout the day. Remind yourself, I live in a friendly universe. Thank you for giving the message here. Let's add one message from Affirmations on Love and Relationships. Please give me one message. One message for Aquarius. What is the one message? I always get 2-3 messages for you. Okay, I hardly get one message. Surrender. You need to surrender here, Aquarius. Okay, surrender limiting beliefs about yourself and your life. Forthwith, officially. Okay, and everything which you need to think that you need to surrender, maybe your patterns or your ideas that make your dream relationship an impossible. Okay, so you need to surrender to the divine and their plan here. Then there is loyalty. I am there for the people I care about in whatever way they need me. Ride to the airport, no problem. Bail you out of the jail, you bet. Go see your band again, maybe. The point is, when I stand with them, I know I'm a part of something special. And to be honest, it does not suck to look around and remember they are standing with me too here. And if you are listening the voices in the background, I'm sorry for that because my kids are playing in the home. Okay, so they are laughing, they're playing, so I'm sorry for that. Then there is wait and see. Thoughts remind love to wander into assumptions and race ahead to the future. But what if you told them to cool their jets and chill a second? Today you get to put your mental chatter on pause, to take a breath and simply wait and see how things play out before you let your mind run a marathon of imagined scenarios. Wait and you will see that waiting and seeing was a lot more productive than wondering and worrying. Okay, just go with the flow. 1414 was the recording reading time. That was the important message for you, Aquarius. Thank you for giving the message. Let's add one healing mantra. Please give me one healing mantra for Aquarius. Embodying my soul. I have a right to be excited. Okay, that is the healing mantra you can say to yourself. I have a right to be excited. Embodying my soul. Thank you for giving the message. Let's see one message from Everyday Miracles. Please give me one message for Aquarius. It can be but myself I crucify. You have no idea of the tremendous release and deep peace that comes from meeting yourself and your brothers totally without judgment. Okay? Let miracles replace all grievances. It is as sure that those who hold grievances will suffer guilt, as it is certain that those who forgive will find peace. Okay, so make peace to the past, make peace to everyone who has hurt you in the past, and even make peace to yourself. Okay, then there is my holiness shines bright and clear today. In this world you can become a spotless mirror in which the holiness of your creator shines forth from you to all around. You can reflect heaven here. So these are the important messages from Everyday Miracles. Thank you for giving the messages. Now let's see what is the messages from the Energy Oracle deck. What are the messages for Aquarius for the month of June? Please give me the messages which I need to deliver. Attachment. What is the message? Third chakra, Archangel Chamuel. Anxiety. Woman holding a coin, door to personal healing and happiness. Financial constraints. Then there is temple path. Any other message? Adjacent possibilities. Angel of strength. Bottom of the deck, I'm having journey again. Definitely you're going through a journey here, Aquarius. Okay, if you're traveling somewhere, take care of yourself here. Traveling, journey, and there was plane. So there are 3 different decks in which I'm getting a journey for you. You're going to start a new chapter of your life. Okay, and if you're not doing that, then there is a traveling, there is a journey you're going to do somewhere here, definitely. So that's an important message here. If you're going through some kind of financial constraint and because of that you're feeling anxiety, don't worry at all, Aquarius. Okay, because beautiful things are coming for you. Door to personal healing and happiness is coming for you here. There is a money opportunity which is coming for you. Woman holding a coin. There is someone who is financially stable, grounded, and they are going to give you money opportunities here. You need to keep your strength. Angel of strength is here again, and you are manifesting something. Magician is here again. So you are doing your temple path, you're choosing the temple path, you're doing your healing, you're doing your meditation, and you're doing your manifestation. You're keeping your strength with you here, and that's beautiful. Your third chakra, Archangel Chamuel, is getting activated here. Okay, and there is some kind of attachment which you are still going on. You need to release this attachment here. And there is adjacent possibilities you have to make. There is someone who is thinking about you here, Aquarius. This is the thinking man. Okay, there is someone who is obsessed with you. Can you see how this man is holding this crystal in his hand, and he is watching this crystal? So there is someone who is thinking a lot about you. They're obsessed with you. Obsessed is the word that I am getting here. They want you. So that's what I'm having here from this deck. Let me get one message from the crystal spirits. What is the message? Please give me one message. Amber. Okay, Amber is the crystal spirit. Let me read it out. You can use this crystal spirit also, Aquarius, if you want to. This is the crystal which is used for healing family patterns, releasing karma, preserving wisdom gained by the lessons of the past. And this is beautiful crystal, okay, because this helps out in beautiful things, okay. This will help you out in releasing karma, releasing healing the family patterns, okay. Beautiful. So you can use this crystal. Thank you, crystal spirits, for giving the beautiful messages. Let me add one message from the native spirit. What is the message for Aquarius? What is the message? What is the message? Please give me the message for Aquarius. One message. White buffalo. Bottom of the deck, I'm having ancestors too. Let me read it out. Abundance, white buffalo. It says abundance and security are flowing in your life. All things are possible. Balance and harmony prevail. You may be called upon to stand up for others, but you can do this because you have the support of many beings in the spirit realm, okay. And that's very powerful message, Aquarius. You have the support from the spirit realm. You have the supports from your ancestors. That's why the ancestor card is also there from you, from this deck too. You are not alone, okay. There are ancestors, there are divine, there is a divine, there is an angel who are supporting you, who are standing with you, okay. So that's very powerful message here. If you have to stand up for others, stand up. There is ancestor here, and this card says wisdom is blossoming. Even if there are unsettling situations in your life, there is a reason for it, and much good will occur as a result. Your ancestors are sending you incredible support to fulfill your dreams. Be aware of the coincidence, signs and synchronicities around you. Watch for messages from your forebears. No matter what's occurring on the surface of your life, your prayers are being answered in mysterious ways beyond your awareness. And that's very powerful message. So please pay attention to the signs and synchronicities whatever you get a message, because there is a definite message from your ancestors, okay. And you are having a support from your ancestors, okay, from the spirit realm, okay. Thank you for giving the messages. Let me see what is the message from Ask Your Guides. One message from this deck, and then I'm going to close out your reading. What is the message for Aquarius? Okay, the loss. Healer Guides, number 5. Let me read it out. Okay, sorrow, depression, grief or regret. You may be entering or experiencing a period of loss, regret, disappointment, pain and perhaps even grief. These feelings may have arisen from the present painful circumstances, or they may be a result of surfacing of unexpressed or unprocessed loss from the past. Whether caused by something in the past or present, your heart is ready to unburden your pain and your soul is ready to grow from these experiences. Your healer guides are present to assist you in your healing through these difficult times. These soothing helpers assure you that your present pain will be transformed into learning, and this too shall pass. Your joy will return. Ask your healer guides to help lift your heart and turn your loss and pain over to your loving care. Okay, so that's beautiful here. Their message is seek sources of help. So this was your reading, Aquarius, for the month of June. I hope I help you out in some manner. Sending you lots of love and healing light to all my Aquarius, whoever is watching this video. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to the channel, and you can let me know in the comment section if you want to tell me anything. Till the time, take care of yourself and see you soon.